Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Satvika Gnanam, where we explore the depth of spirituality and self awareness. 19th verse from the chapter 12th. तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिर्भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. He who takes praise and criticism alike and is given to contemplation and is contented with any means of subsistence available, entertaining no sense of ownership and attachment in respect of his dwelling place, and is full of devotion to me, that person is dear to me. 20th verse from the chapter 12th. ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदै यतोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धदाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेऽतीव मे प्रियाः. Those devotees, however, who partake in a disinterested way of this nectar of pious wisdom set forth above, endowed with faith and solely devoted to me, they are extremely dear to me. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम 12ोऽध्यायः. ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Here is the ending prayer of Bhagavad Gita. योगीशं सच्चिदानन्दौ वासुदेवौ व्रजप्रियं धर्मसंस्थापकं वीरं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. श्रीकृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Like, share, comment, and please click the bell icon for all the notifications. Thank you.